Persons. Look at the pictures. Listen to me carefully and learn new names. Repeat after me. Boy, girl, baby, child. Man, woman, king, queen. Swimmer, player, singer, and rider. In the same way, persons in a family have different names. Let us meet the Gupta family. He is Ashok Gupta. He has a father and a mother. He has also a brother and a sister. His father is the son of his grandfather and grandmother. He has an aunt. She is the wife of his uncle. His uncle and aunt have a son and daughter also. Their daughter is the niece of his father. He has a cousin. The cousin is the nephew of his father. His father is the husband of his mother. Are you confused? Let us repeat in pairs. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, husband, wife, son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter, brother, sister, boy, girl, uncle, aunt, man, woman, nephew, niece, cousin, cousin.
Five adjectives are hidden in the jumbled words given here. Uncrumble and write here. MOTHER, mother. FATHR, father. BROTHER, brother. SISTR, sister. GRAND, FATHR, grandfather. Complete the pairs of the words given below. Example: father, mother, wife, husband, brother, sister, girl, boy, uncle, auntie, son, daughter.
Names of workers. You must have noticed people working in your homes, people doing different work. They have names also. Let us learn the names of all the people who help us. Teacher, cook, postman, doctor, nurse, gardener, tailor, carpenter, potter, waiter, farmer, policeman, mason, washerman, porter, cobbler, painter, baker.
Write the names of any 5 workers. Nurse, cobbler, carpenter, teacher, farmer, fill in the blanks with appropriate names of animal babies. This is the wrong question. Fill in the blanks with the given L box. He makes pots of clay. Potter. He brings our letters. Postman. He switches our clothes. Tailor. He bakes bread. Baker. He treats the sick. Doctor.